Now, question of the day. First of all, read the question. Figure fi- figures on an arrangement in which four discs are suspended by cord. Four discs, there were A, B, C, and D. Okay, connected by cord. The longer cord top cord loop over a frictionless pulley. This one is a frictionless pulley and pulley with force of magnitude 98 Newton on the wall to which is it attached. The tension in three sorted cord are T1, T2, T3. T1, T2, T3, and here in this cord is also given T is how much? 98 Newton. So here also T is equal to 98 Newton. Clear or not? Okay, so our target, what are the masses of disk A, B, and C and D? There are four disks. So masses of these four disks, how can determine? Look here very carefully. Okay, according to question, look here 98 T is equal to 98 Newton, and so that one 98 Newton. Clear? Okay. Now whole system are equilibrium, not moving because this cord is fixed. Okay, here that's why. So after that, make free body diagram of T A B block disk A B C D. Okay, so we are focused on disk, that one disk D, that one disk A, sorry C, okay, C, and that one disk B, and that one disk A. Clear? If you make free body diagram of disk D, mass of disk D is downward, so M D into G downward. Tension in this string T3. Clear? Now after that, if you make free body diagram of T2, C C disk, mass of disk C is how much? MC, so MC into G. Okay, and tension T2. Clear? And also in this direction tension T3. Okay, clear or not? Now after that, focus on disk B. Here T1, another here T2 disk, sorry, tension T2 also here, and mg of the mb into G downward. After that, disk A, tension T, here tension T1, and weight also weight mg downward, so ma into G. Clear? Clear? So how can determine? So focus on first of all A, disk A. Okay, first of all, what about disk T1? We have focus on T1, T2, T3. So T1, T2, T1 is given how much? 58.8 Newton. Okay, T2 is 49 Newton, and T3 is 9.8 Newton. Okay, so first of all, disk, focus on disk A. So net force on disk A is T is equal to T1 plus MA into G. So what about MA? MA is written capital T minus T1 divided by G, and capital T is 98, and what about T1? T1 is simply 58.8. 58.8 divided by 98, because G is 98. I have taken G is how much? 98. Then what about that value? You can use calculator. Okay, then you can find. So first of all, 98. So 98 minus 58 point 58 point wait 58.8. Then we got 39.2. So MA this equal to 39.2 divided by 98. So what about that value? Very simple. 39.2 divided by 9.8, that is how much? 4. So 4 kg. Okay. So mass of disc A is how much? 4 kg. Clear? Now next we have focus on disc B. Disc B. Okay. So according to that one, T1 this will equal to T2 plus MB into G. So what about MB? MB is simply T1 minus T2 divided by G. So MB is written as T1 is how much? What about T1? T1 is given 58.8 and T2. What about T2? T2 is 49 Newton divided by 9.8. So what about that value? Simply you can say that 59 a 9.8, so basically 1 kg. So mass of disc B is how much? 1 kg. After that, focus on discs C. Okay. If you see, focus on disc C. Here T2 is equal to T3 plus MC into G. Why? Because in equilibrium, in that's why written. So MC this will equal to T2 minus T3 divided by G. T2 is how much? 49 minus T3 is 9.8 divided by G is 9.8. So what about that value? Very simple. 49 minus 9.8 is 39.2. 39.2 divided by 9.8. 9.8. 39.2 divided by 9.8, that is 4 kg. Clear? So mass of disc C is how much? 4 kg. After that, focus on disc D. Okay. Here T3 is equal to MD into G. So put that value. T3 is how much? Simply 9.8, and here 9.8 into MD. So MD is how much? 1 kg. Clear? So MD is how much? MD is 1 kg. So there are 4. This mass is how much? 4 kg, 1 kg, 4 kg and 1 kg.